So good morning. How are you outside there, guys? This is morning and it's very cold. That's why I'm wearing the cap. So I'm still going to see the granddad. He's not feeling well. That's why I'm here again, guys. So and I'm with Mama here. Say hello.
Hello.
Tunaenda wapi?
Tunaenda kwa mama.
So we are going. It is early at 7 now, and we waked up like earlier. We did not even have any tea, guys. So we are heading this side here, guys. So drop a comment what you think about this video. God has given us a chance to wake up, guys, and thank you always for coming to support me. Thank you for subscribing, guys. For those ones who are outside there, hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end, and God bless you, guys. Thank you so much.
What the hell?
You're expired. So guys, we are from there and we are heading this side here. On that house there, it wants to be pulled the iron sheets on top, guys. So yesterday we were here and I think people have not waked up and they don't know whether we were coming this early. So what's up, guys? It's very cold. Here we have just to feed the chickens. The kitchen there. These are the washrooms here. The washrooms are here. There are some wavas here. Some wavas, but they are not ready, guys. These are wavas here. So those are the washrooms there, guys. See, this is the kitchen. Those are the fire goods on top of the kitchen. Some house here. That's where we relax, guys. Here's the kitchen. Eh? Waki. It's a hanger here. Given a cup of tea here. Been given a cup of tea, so we have reached here. This is a cup of tea. I'm very much lucky tea. Not black tea, but tea with milk. The command is lovely. This is where they hang their clothes. Still up. There's a dog there. Hello, Simba. Hello. Hello. So this is the tea. In Africa, we usually do like this. And then you drink. These are the nipple grass. Usually nipple grass, this is what we usually give the cows, guys. Nipple. So this is our kitchen here. Kwabokire. Kibwaki. Nairwe chai. Bakani. Bakana. Hello, what's up guys? Here now we are cleaning the house. Cleaning the house at the village is normal, just you bend like using water. We don't have a mop like that one which has a stick, but then we usually use this one here that where you bend. Guys, this is the village. We are doing the cleaning because of grandpa here, because we also wanted just to assist, because sometimes cleaning, making the compound clean, making the house clean is also this is like a natural thing. Like if your house is not clean, you feel uncomfortable when the visitors come at your house, like guys. So enjoy the video, continue watching until the end. Please subscribe if you haven't, click that like button. If you want to please you can share, kindly share. I know you have amazing friends outside there, guys. Enjoy the video. So guys, this is where he sleeps, and he was just cleaning. This is the suitcase. This is a metal one. That's the window. So guys, here we had to cut vegetables. Vegetables is usually normal here at a village. You have to prepare earlier, like when you want to cook. First of all, you prepare the vegetable. Like now, I am cutting the vegetable. This was kales from the garden, like, and it is very fresh actually. Everything here at the village is very fresh. Otherwise, if you want to change the vegetable, you can also buy from those ones who have the other vegetables. Yeah, guys, drop a comment if this is how you cut your vegetable, or what do you think about this video, guys. Thank you so much for coming to watch the video. God bless you. Otherwise, continue watching until the end, and that is it. After that, I have to stir. We are doing the vegetables, guys. And the fish.
Yeah.
So we stir. After stirring, I add salt. This is the salt, guys. Adding the salt, we stir again. And then we cover it for 5 minutes and it will be ready. Again we stir. I think the sauce is ready. After it is ready, I'll have to add vegetables. These are the vegetables. We already boiled them, and then we'll have to mix, guys. So we mix it like this, guys.